In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for free to start coding and deploy apps. First, you'll need a free Replit account. You can create one on the website or grab the mobile app if you prefer coding on your phone or tablet. The process is quick, and once you're in, you'll land on a clean workspace where all your projects live. Think of it as your always ready coding environment in the cloud, so you don't have to install anything on your own device. From here, you can start building in three convenient ways. The easiest is to pick a template. Replit offers ready-to-go setups for popular languages and frameworks, things like Python, JavaScript, or full-stack web templates. Choosing a template saves you from the hassle of configuring tools and folders. It spins up a working project instantly so you can focus on writing code. If you're new, this is a great way to learn by example because the template files show how everything fits together. Another powerful option is to use the AI agent. Simply describe what you want to build in plain English, maybe a personal website, a to-do app, or a small game, and the AI will generate a project scaffold for you. Be specific about your goals and the features you want, and review the output carefully. Treat it like a starting point. Run it, test it, and then tailor the code to your needs. A clear prompt goes a long way toward getting useful results. If you prefer total control, start a blank project. This gives you a clean slate to structure your files exactly how you like. It's ideal when you already know the stack you want or you're following a tutorial that shows you how to set everything up step by step. The free plan includes the essentials you need to code comfortably: an editor, a console to run your programs, and collaboration basics. Your work is saved in the cloud, and you can switch between devices without missing a beat. On mobile, the app is handy for quick edits, small fixes, or experimenting when you're away from your computer. When you're ready to share your work, you can host and deploy directly on Replit. Your project gets a live URL that others can visit, so teammates, friends, or potential users can test it right away. Keep an eye on project size and runtime so you stay within free plan limits and optimize where you can. That's it. You've got a full streamlined path from idea to live app all in one place.